Are you ready to take control of your art journey and unlock the secrets of art appreciation and composition? Welcome, savvy artists and art lovers. Today, we're diving into a concept that will elevate the way you create and experience art. Whether you're sharpening your skills or seeking deeper connections with masterpieces, you're in the driver's seat. Every step matters, and it all starts with your engagement. So let's get into how light and dark contrast can transform your compositions into visual powerhouses. Understanding art's fundamentals is your key to mastering both creation and appreciation. Today, we're focusing on design's secret number 13, dominant contrast, the game-changing value play where the darkest dark meets the lightest light. For artists, this is your tool to create focal points that demand attention. For appreciators, spotting these contrasts will unlock a deeper understanding of how art directs the eye and tells its story. Let's dive into mastering this visual emphasis and start creating with intention. Dominant contrast is all about pinpointing that powerful moment where light and dark values collide. It's the cornerstone of composition that often becomes the focal point of a piece. Artists, your job is simple. Find the blackest blacks and the brightest whites in your work. Where they meet, the magic happens. Visualize this. Picture a rectangle with a dot in the center, surrounded by a halo. In one, the dot is darker. In another, it's lighter. The halo can shift from light to dark. But when the dot is jet black and the halo is pure white, you get the most striking contrast, simultaneous contrast, and that's where your eye naturally lands. Contrast is all about extremes. Think of it like a scale from 0 to 100, with 0 being pitch black and 100 being pure white. When you look at a painting like Jean-Baptiste Camille Corot's A Woman Reading, squint your eyes and ask, where do the darkest darks meet the lightest lights? Here's the kicker, it's not where you think. The highest contrast isn't on the woman's face, but on the book she's reading. Corot guides your focus there on purpose, and now you can see why it works. Your mission. Artists, sketch 3 images that emphasize dominant contrast. Be bold, place your darkest darks and lightest lights right next to each other to create an intense focal point. Appreciators, squint at paintings to pinpoint where these contrasts occur. Feel how they shape your experience and draw you deeper into the narrative. Need more practice? Explore the composition sandbox. Next up, we'll explore the change of charge, a technique that uses shifting line patterns to evoke emotions, from excitement to calm. This will bring new energy to your compositions and deepen the emotional resonance of your work. Don't miss it. And now go make an intelligent mess. Play with contrast, experiment with light and dark, and most importantly, stay savvy, my friends.